Welcome to Tamarin Spa at Murni's house in the heart of Ubud. Hi, my name is Murni. I have been doing business for last 40 years in Ubud. My work is with the guests as a spa with the guest house. I have my restaurant since 1974 and I'm really enjoying it very much. I have a small gallery originally. It's like paintings and textile. We have so much textile, ceremonial textile in Indonesia. I like sharing with people